Okay, this is the last booklet that I wanted to go through. Again, it can be printed on a A4 paper, and the middle part is cut after it being folded in 8, and easily it becomes another booklet. So this has a sequential flow of the 5 days of Hajj, what we do when going to Mina, and when going to Arafah on the second day, and dua at Arafah, and dua when we're going to Muzdalifah, and basically duas at Mina, and duties to fulfill at Mina, and how, the Rami and animal sacrifice, and dua for cutting the hair or shaving the head, and dua for tawaful weda. And basically these are the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's the last booklet. Jazakallah khair.